nuclear is one of the most abundant power sources that can provide that reliable 24/7 energy. Nuclear is not new. Nuclear has been around since the 50s. It happens to be one of the most powerful sources of energy there is around the world. It's highly reliable, it provides energy resilience, but it is subject to public perception. So we've seen instances of accidents such as Chernobyl and 3 Mile Island and Fukushima, which have damaged public perception. But actually, as we move forward with the growing demand for energy from things such as data centers or electrification, we need that energy security. We need the reliable energy. And that's where nuclear has a massive part to play. It's not a silver bullet. It's not the solution, but it's part of a balanced energy mix. And that's where nuclear has the ability to provide resilient, always on 24/7 power. Nuclear is a very, very safe option. We discussed before about accidents, but actually, if you look at its safety record, it's one of the safest industries you will find. The whole nuclear landscape is really, really exciting and is a real area where Thornton Tomasetti, with our innovations, can deploy our skills. We're one of the few firms that takes a holistic view of climate action, thinking about energy supply and energy demand and resilience. They're all key components. We're trying to make the better world a better place, but we also acknowledge that there's a lot of wrongs that have been done over the previous generations. So we look back whilst looking forward, and that might seem a contradiction in terms, but we do look at that. Within the energy space, we look at how we can decarbonize. How can we decarbonize energy supply? But we also make sure that we're not susceptible to blackouts or brownouts. So we look at this holistically. We bring together the best minds. We power the world without destroying it at the same time.